है ना. what happens is lot of hormones in your body are produced, है ना, puberty वगैरह. so yeah, exactly. I can't control, you know, my
get low when the whistle go.
Hey guys, I'll take a bit of your time. Okay, I have made notes, and so please, okay, I'll eat your time. Okay, so I'll tell you. Okay, as we were discussing, I had got 90% in my board exams, and my parents were still not happy. they wanted more. Even I felt sad after my board exams कि यार बस 90 है. Like I was expecting more. But later on, reality struck me when I saw others. Okay, trust me. You know, whatever you get, it's very good. Okay, it's really good. Our parents want more from us because they care for us. Okay, so and this stage of your life, and what happens is lot of hormones in your body are produced, and puberty वगैरह. So yeah, exactly. I can't control, you know, my bio instincts. Yeah, please trust me. See, what happens at this stage is, right, you know, you have a conflict with your parents. All of us have the conflict with your parents, and we feel ki no one understands us. We feel ki no one understands us. I am getting low marks. I deserve it. And I am having a bad phase in my life. I deserve it. But you don't deserve anything. You deserve the best. You have the best. Okay. And the thing is ki it's not you. It's your hormones. Even my hormones. Everyone's hormones were playing with us in your stage. है ना? Yeah. Exactly. See. है ना? So it's not about, you know, you deserve it and all. You're all very special. Okay, now the second thing about the fear, and everyone says fear. But fear is not a bad thing. If you are a human being, you will be feared. But the real stud is the one who overcomes that fear. Okay, you will be the stud if you overcome that fear. Okay, I want you all to be that stud. And yeah, and one more thing, fear, what happens is sports people, what they do is it's about perception of the fear. Sports people consider fear as they are in an excited state. Whenever you ask a sports person, they are more nervous. Olympics में लोग ऐसे हो जाते हैं जब वो perform कर रहे होते हैं. But their legs start trembling. But what they tell themselves is, right, कि they are excited. They are excited to perform. It's not they are scared. It is they are excited to perform. That's what they tell themselves. Okay, so you need to tell them whenever you are feeling कि हाँ, like yeah, I am feared. Oh, क्या हो रहा है? Oh. No, nothing. You are just excited about your exam. Nothing else. It's the perception. It's the mind game. Okay, you are just excited about the exam. You are feeling excitement. हाँ, excitement ऐसी लगती है कि हाँ, घबराहट होती है excitement में. Okay, and trust me, behind your biggest fear lies the biggest bliss of your life. Behind your biggest fear lies the biggest bliss of your life. Okay, and it is just a starting. 10th grade में हो यार आप लोग, पैर क्या कांप रहे हो? कुछ नहीं होता 10th grade में. We are there, nothing will happen. Okay, trust me, we believe in you. You all are very wonderful kids, है ना? I trust in you, Abhishek sir, Jimmy sir, Harsh PM sir. We love you. We love you, and we will keep loving you no matter what the result is. Okay, yes, है ना? No problem यार, कोई बात नहीं. नहीं नंबर आते नहीं आते भाई, नहीं आता तो what can we do? है ना? I am a musician by birth. I am born to make a music. Like how can I do science? Right? So it's all about how you are made. I cannot ask a fish to climb a tree. I cannot ask a fish to climb a tree. Fish can only swim, right? All of you are different. You might be good at football, and I am not good at football. Right, so that is the whole thing. Okay, sorry, I took more time. And yeah, but last, please, last. Okay, so the thing is ki, है ना? What now career-wise? If you want to do good in your career-wise, okay, there's only two things which you need to develop. You need to have good communication and good confidence. These are the two things which I want you to develop. Good communication, good confidence. जैसे देख के लगना चाहिए हाँ भैया बहुत बढ़िया आदमी आ गया.
Like too much of hormones inside.
Exactly. Yeah. Yes. These two things. If you have these two things in your life, you are sorted. You are sorted. They will pay you. They will pay you like crazy. Just have confidence and good communication. Okay, बस yeah, okay, I guess. in the end, please, all the best. Okay, stay focused whenever you feel scared, right? Imagine I'm standing with you, Abhishek sir is standing with you, Harsh sir, Jimmy sir. We'll all solve your questions, okay? If you feel scared, post it in your app. In our app, we will help you. Trust me, you can contact us through Vedantu. We will be there 24/7. And as I told you, we love you no matter what the result is. Okay? Take care. All the best. That's it. From my